Hello everyone, welcome to Toysmatic. Today I came up with another toy for you. So you can see this is an aeroplane. So before unboxing the aeroplane, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Support my channel. So let's open it and review how does it look. Before that, let's see what's in the box. So in the box you can see that it's written friction plant with light and music. So this is what it looks like. So at the side there are pictures for how to assemble the things. There is picture 1 and picture 2. So here are some instructions given. Wing, tail, fan assembly instructions. First attach both side these parts, press button for on, not suitable for children under 3 years. So this particular toy is not suitable for kids below 3 years age group of. So there are small particles, they might swallow it, so it might be hazardous for them, so that's why there is a warning. So here the price is written as 399. So I got it in an offer of 350. So let's open and see how does it look. So this is what the plane looks like. So we have to assemble the plane. So this is the manual. It's not a proper manual, just a picture and numbering are given, like where to put what things. This is how it looks. So these are the wheels. This is the on and off button. These are the front wheels. So next, these are the wings. So there are 2 wings. Then so these are the light or fan, I guess fan. These are the fan. So there are 4 pieces of this. Then there are small wings, 2 wings. So let's assemble and see. So these are the things that came with the plane. So at the front side you can see this is the front part of the plane, aeroplane. This is a black tap they have used as front window alike structures. So here are space for the bigger wings. Then here are the space for the smaller wings. So let's assemble. So I'll go with the smaller ones. So you have to put it a little harder. So this way. Then this one. So this way the back wings are fixed. So let's fix the bigger one. So it's very hard to fix the bigger one. So let me fix. So one part is fixed, let's fix the other part. So this is also fixed. So after fixing, this is what it looks like. You can see. Let's fix the fans. So this way you have to just put this one here. So this is what the plane looks like after fixing. So you can see it exactly looks like a plane, aeroplane. So let's on it and see how does it work. So I ordered a plane which was like it can move along with the music, but this plane is just it gives music and it doesn't move, so you have to push it for moving. So the thing that I ordered I didn't get. I ordered a different one, but I got a different one. So this aeroplane is not it doesn't move, like it have like if you switch it on, just the light will be there and nothing else. So you have to push it and play. So this way. So you can see only the lights can be seen. It doesn't move by its own. So it is battery operated, but the movement is push and go. So with this I end my video today. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel.